Okay, going over trade recap of our second trade. It is the 22nd at 9:17 a.m. But today was tough, guys. If you saw my last video or you were live with me this morning, today was extremely tough to trade. And this is our SPX chart. So always remember, I'm looking at SPX and I'm looking at NASDAQ when I'm trading. I think they correlate. So here we are on our NASDAQ chart. And I'm going to show you the second trade that we did end up taking today. So I saw this nice rejection come off of the VWAP and then push back up. We were, remember, stuck in this zone. So sometimes when we're stuck in a zone, let me turn the orb off. It's in our way. Okay. So sometimes when we're stuck in a consolidation zone, I will trade the consolidation zone, like zone to zone. So I saw again come down. I saw a nice rejection when I started to see this reject. I was in this trade right about here. We were live on TikTok Live, and then I saw it come back up to the zone. I was already up like 900, and we were only, my goal is only $600 a day. So as you guys can see, we're up 870 on the day. So, and that was only, we only took 2 trades. Did we take 2 trades or did I don't remember, but up 870 on our take profit. So keep that in mind. That is something you guys could potentially do, is trade zones. It's something you have to be very quick with. It is definitely a scalping level. Absolutely. When we were just on live, I told everybody that we would probably go to this zone, get a double top and reject, which we did. I was waiting for it to push through this zone also, because if you look at ES, if we're looking at ES, this is that same zone. Oh, let me turn orb off. Okay, looking at ES, that is that same zone, and I didn't like it because price kept just sitting right here, and I was wavering about a potential buy position because, guys, look at this major zone. Wicks. It broke through but came back down, so it's still validated. But look at, I was hesitant to take a buy on NASDAQ because of that on ES. So if we come over to NASDAQ, the same kind of little zone, because I saw this wick right here, so I marked it. And if we scroll back, it was a zone. See that? It was a major zone. So I was hesitant on a buy position, but if you were in that buy, I said we're going up to this zone and then potentially getting a double top. Lo and behold, double top. So you guys, I'm here to help you guys. If you have questions, let me know. But so far, doing good. Green on the days. Haven't taken a major loss. But remember, losses are inevitable when you're trading. You just have to be a good loser. So we could come right here, reject and push back up, or we could break this zone and continue to push down. My bias all day has been to grab London lows. These are the London lows. So my bias has always been to come grab those, but we also need to get all the liquidity over here from that big sell-off. So that's why today has been a little bit tricky. Keep that in mind. Like I said, when there's a big day previous, like a big up and down movement, know that the next day could be a little bit testing of your limits and what you need to be doing in the market. So yeah, we'll just have to see what price continues to give us. This could potentially be like a mini Head and Shoulders. So drop your comments, questions, anything you guys are struggling with, let me know in the comments, and I will try to make a video on it to help you understand trading better, to help you become a profitable trader this year. And really excited about this. Really excited that we're up the 276. So this was the 30-second chart too. If you guys want to take a peek at, this was that 5-minute consolidation over on NASDAQ that we had our zones marked up. That was this. So risky trade, but we were up 900. I'm happy with it. I'm walking away for the day. Let me know what you guys need help with.